welcome back to MaiMoments, the best channel for hair, makeup tutorial, and products review. Today, I'm excited to review this product. It's a Chi. It's from Ulta Beauty because it's specialized for this products. I love how it say 1 hour autos shut off because yes, I have forgot to shut off my curl iron before, and so that's very dangerous. It's a really nice size bag. This is great for traveling where you can put your makeup and also your, curl iron in here. Let's open it together. Ta-da! Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is great for, for makeup. You can put your makeup here. You can put one set of hair piece here. I mean, you don't really need to bring everything. So I think that would be a great, this is the glove that we definitely need instead of burning our hands. This is the manual, and this is what we here for. Ta-da! Ooh, it's pink. I love pink. Let me go ahead and plug this in so we really get started with this. I don't know about you, but I love my Chi like straightener. I don't really use it because my hair is already straightened, but when I want it extra sleek and straight, I always use my Chi straightener. That's my best products right there. First of all, I really enjoy the 3 size. It's all different. So if you are a type of person that like beachy wave, huge wave, this is your friend right here. If you like limit, tighten, and perfect curls, this is like Barbie curls right here. Bam, in your face. So I really want to try this first because this is what I really enjoy, beachy wave. And I guess you just attach on here. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty easy to attach. And then you're gonna press this button right here to start. So you can set it up to 450. I'm not going to do 450. I'm just gonna do 380 because I don't wanna burn my hands. And right now, can you see the number is going up? Is trying to reach to that number that I set, which is 350. Especially for Chi products, it's really good at warming up fast, and so please don't touch this. This is very dangerous right now. I'm going to spray my hair with a 44 Iron Guard. This is a thermal protection spray, and I'm just going to spray all over my hair. That's how I protect my hair. And also I don't really get a lot of split in, although I have not cut my hair for 2 years already. I do have a method for that, so if you want to know how, comment below and I'll let you know what is my process and how I take care of my hair. Since we have this glove right here, let's go ahead and use it and protect your fingers because it's really hot and you're gonna burn your fingers. I swear, be careful with this. I have to admit that this glove is not the best. Look at this. Like, they don't take an effort to cut this out. So you have 2 options in this. If you don't know how to clip and then turn, you can actually just go ahead and loop it around just like a magic wand. And then for this right here, you can actually pull it out, and that's going to set in place and help you stand, so all this right here will not burn anything on your desk. So whenever you use this, make sure to push this down. So I'm going to divide this section in half, and then I'm going to divide this section in half again so I get a good portions of it. Not too small or too large. So for this one, you have 2 options. You can do like this, and then go ahead and twist it around, and then we're going to count like pretty much like 10 or 15 seconds depending on which you decide. So here we go, let's take that out. As you can see here, it's very loose curl, so if you like into a beachy curl, this is a perfect for you here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try on the second method to see a comparison of how that's going to work. So what I like to do is actually start in the middle, twist around, pull it down, and twist it again. Pull it down and oh, okay, that did not work. Let's try it again. So what I'm going to twist it, pull it down, twist it, pull it down, twist it. Oh my gosh, okay. I'll have to say for this technique, it does not work better than the one that I did. As comparison, both are good, but I'd rather pick the one that is actually twisted around. I have to admit the reason why I really enjoyed this because it grabbing a really large sections and it make a really perfect curl. So if you don't want like a really tight curls, then definitely you can use this one. And I felt like it's looked even better the next day whenever you curl your hair because I can like do an updo and do a messy bun and it still look great. So let's see. That's really nice. That is really nice. I have a really great curls, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a hairspray. And this is the Hard Head Extra Strong Hold hairspray. And what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to spray it right in there. You have to give it a good distance and spray it. I really enjoyed the bounciness of like my hair wave when I run. So I don't really try to spray it down where it's stiff, you know, like a brick. I have to admit it looked very shiny and nice. It does not make my hair look all dull. From this product, make sure to spray this product because it does help to add some shininess and also look very healthy. So I just want to let you know, in order to switch with this device, you have to press the button here and it would release itself, and it's pretty hot, so careful. And do you see an arrow right here? So this arrow needs to meet with this arrow, and we are going to press it down. And we are ready for the second one. So now it's heating up to 400 that I'm going to set it with. Make sure to brush through before you are going to curl your hair, because that's going to help you get a perfect curl. Let's try the next product. Ooh. Okay, we need to switch hands. This is getting really annoying, you guys, that you have to switch this glove too, because if you are working on your left side, you have to wear this on your left side, and if you are working on your right, you have to switch it. So what I'm going to do is next time I'm just going to buy another glove or wear mitting gloves on this side too, and then just do that so I don't have to waste time to switch it back and forth. Ooh, I really enjoyed this right here because I can get really good curl. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, that is beautiful right here. Wow. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. And I can see that this curl will be more volumized than this previous one. Okay, you guys, this way does not work. It's like really choking you. So I have to work my way from the back. The reason why I like this type of curls because it does not take a long time. Yes, I do admit that you have to really work out your arms because you have to be in this angle in order for it to work perfectly. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? It's so bouncy. Gotta loop it around. Oh my gosh, breathe. Breathe. My arms is getting so tired. So tired, but we gonna get this down. Whew. There we go. Get that out the way. Lastly, we are going to try this bitty thing. Ooh, man, we're gonna get some Barbie curls up in here. This is like perfect for really short hair, you know? Can I reach to my end? Oh yeah, perfect. Ooh, ooh, wow. Whoa, that's pretty. Wow, that's like Taylor Swift whenever her old songs and she have like this tight curl right here. Oh my gosh, I need to use like my legs in order to hold my hand up because it's falling apart right now. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Just in case if you cannot get your end to fit in there, just go ahead and wrap around again toward the end and focus on that. There we go. is it worth it? Oh man, I have to admit that it's really worth the money because each of the curls have its own personalities and have its own trends and style. So I love all of them, and yes, it depends on what is your type. Going to spray it. So one thing that I really enjoy about this product is have automatically shut down in 1 hour, which means that if you are a type of person that totally forget to unplug, don't worry, this will shut down in 1 hour, causing no harms to your house or where you live. So it's actually a really good product to invest. Another thing that I really enjoy about this product, you have 3 options in one, and even if you just like one of the style, then just go ahead and take that style with you, leave the other 2 left, and in this bag you can really fit a good place for your makeup. It's going to protect your makeup. You can put it in here or in here. I mean, I love how it's so spacey and it's very convenient to carry this, and pink is my favorite colors. And they do sell this at Ulta. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore. So is this my proof? Absolutely. Every single one of them work beautiful and also very efficient, making a perfect curls, but you do need to give it some arm work. Oh yeah, you definitely gonna get tired. For this one, Beachy Wave, amazing curls, and whenever you walk down the beach, people are not gonna realize that you are able to make a perfect wavy hair, not natural. You definitely have to use this. And for this one, it would be a great day-to-day use. It's a perfect curls, perfect size. For my short hair girls, this would be your best friend right here, and you can get amazing Barbie curls. I'm actually very obsessed. So for these 2 products right here will give you amazing volumize. For this one, not really, but I think it's really fast to do your hair with this product. This too, I mean, it really taking forever. But nevertheless, I really enjoy every single products here. And so if you are wanting to purchase this, there will be a link below. And so you can purchase it. And I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored by them. I just really enjoy this cheap products that I'm willing to pay my own money and review the products for you guys, so you don't have to waste your own money if it did not work out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Comment below of what you want to see next. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.